everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Amanda Gates and today we are going to talk about Feng Shui crystals. I get the question all the time, what the heck are they? How do we use them? What do we do with them? So a Feng Shui crystal is a faceted crystal like this, and what these do is they lift qi, diffuse qi, soften qi. So whenever we have a ailment like, say, a knife edge, which is one of the top 5 disruptors, or maybe a missing piece, which is also one of the top 5 disruptors, what we like to do is use a crystal. And a crystal can be a very helpful tool when trying to fix an ailment. So for example, I recently had a client who had a front door, back door alignment. So what that means is that when you open the front door, it's immediately aligned with the back door. And that can create just a fast moving amount of energy, fast moving qi. And so that can create accidents and can really hurt finances. And it can just create a lot of disruption in your life. And so what we want to do is place a crystal in between to help slow down that energy, allow it to meander and enjoy itself, so to speak. The problem is that she didn't hang a crystal like this. She hung a crystal like this little tiny guy. So hopefully you can see that. This is just a little tiny 20 millimeter crystal. And so that's what this video is about today, is that there is a difference. When you're putting up crystals to fix an ailment, you have to take into consideration what the size is of that ailment and what it can actually take on. So in this particular instance, it was actually very tall ceilings and it was a very wide open space. And so this little guy is not going to be very effective. It's just too much energy. It's a large space, and so you need to take into consideration the size of crystal that you put in. This one is actually a 50 millimeter, which in that instance would have been a lot better. So when placing your Feng Shui crystals, just make sure that you're taking into consideration the size of the room, the height of the ceilings, and what you're really asking that crystal to do. If you're really questioning and just not sure, the best thing to do is to choose either a 40 or 50 millimeter crystal. This one's 50, so that you get it right and you don't have to worry or question, because that's the last thing you want to do. You don't want to hang your crystal and go, oh gosh, did I do this right? Did I pick the right size? Because that's going to mess up the adjustment. If you have doubt and that energy is broadcasting, it's going to screw up the result. So I guess that could be like tip number 2. So make sure that when you put that item up there, that you know that it's the right size, that you're confident in it, and you know that that sucker is going to kick butt and it's going to change the energy for you. All right? Sound awesome? It is. All right, everyone. I hope that this quick tip helps you today. If you've got any questions, just post those below. Also, if you like the channel, be sure to subscribe. If you'd like more information, you can find more at our website at gatesinteriordesign.com. I also have a fantastic podcast, Home Energy Design, that has all kinds of really great interviews and also information about Feng Shui. And let's not forget, this channel has some amazing Feng Shui videos as well. If you'd like to learn some more, or you can reach out to us and work with me today, you can just find out more information on our website. All right, everyone, trust the vibe, because the energy never lies.